Top 5 fighter jets and their price tag. These jets rule the skies, and they come with sky-high price tags. Let's count down the top 5 fighter jets in the world and how much they cost. 5. Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe, around $100 million, Mach 2, multirole, NATO's muscle in the air. 4. Dassault Rafale, France, up to $120 million, Agile, combat-tested and trusted by many countries. 3. Su-57 Felon, Russia, about $50 million. Russia's stealthy answer to Western jets. 2. F-22 Raptor, USA, $150 million, pure air dominance, fast, stealthy, untouchable one. F-35 Lightning II, USA, from $82 to $102 million, the world's most advanced stealth fighter, exported globally. These birds are fast, deadly, and worth millions. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.